Before diving into Node.js, let's first of all understand basics of JavaScript. So what exactly is JavaScript? Well, it turns out that JavaScript is a programming language built into the browser and is focused primarily on making the web pages interactive. So initially, JavaScript was client-side, but with time it started gaining popularity, and today it's one of the most popular programming languages around. And now it's also available as a server-side language or platform, you can say, in form of Node.js, which we are exploring now. If you already have prior experience on JavaScript, feel free to skip this section, but if you're new to web programming, I would recommend you to go through this section first. So JavaScript is basically written into the browser, so whenever any web page is served to the browser, it just goes through that JavaScript code and implements it line by line. So for that reason it's called interpreted, because the execution happens at runtime. So whatever code you have written, it does not get converted to any other form. It remains as is. So if you have written it inside a script tag, whatever content you have written, it will be there and you can view it as a source, and that same piece of code is then interpreted by the browser. And at any given point of time, if there is some error in your JavaScript code, the program will stop right there. That's why we call it as interpreted language. Other than this, it's loosely typed as well. So if you define a variable, let's say, and you're assigning a person's name to that variable, and at a later stage you can assign a number to that same variable, and it will happily accept it. That's why we call it as loosely typed. In upcoming lectures, we'll see some of the basic concepts that one must know before writing Node.js code. So stay tuned for more updates on this.